It's your girl Samara. Yes, it's your girl Samara, and today a sis is gonna be showing y'all how to get a cute old, nice old, poppin' old top knot bun on thick, kinky hair. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below anything you may want to see in the future, and let's get into the video. Right now is very old. This is like an old 2-week braid out because your girl was being lazy and I did not feel like washing my hair. These are some things you gonna need. You're gonna need your favorite gel. I'm using Eco. I heard Eco gives you cancer, but you know you only live once. These two are optional, but I'm gonna use these two to help slick down my hair only because these are the things that really get my hair slick. I'm gonna be using some Murray's Beeswax. Also gonna be using some Edge Booster. You also need a pick and a brush. I'm using a hard bristle brush because these are the things that get your hair slick. Like I said, ladies, see, it literally says slick. A scrunchie. I recommend a headband turned into a scrunchie. Headband turned into a scrunchie because it will get your hair up there, and you don't only need one scrunchie but two scrunchies, and I'm going to show y'all later why you need two scrunchies. First thing I'm going to do is pick out my hair so that I can get as much volume as possible. So the first thing I'm about to put on my hair is some Murray's Beeswax, Edge Wax. And this is for your edges, but this is also really good for actually laying down your head. So I'm going to be putting this on the perimeter of my head. And I'm putting some right here because that's the part you want slick. Like, the front is important, but when you actually put up your hair, these parts are the parts that tend to puff up the most. I'm not gonna brush out my hair yet. I'm gonna add the Eco right on top of it. Brush your hair. I recommend a big headband turned into a scrunchie because if you have a lot of hair like I do, then them little scrunchies ain't gonna do you anything, and I'm being real with y'all. So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to tie my hair down for a couple minutes and come back to y'all so we can actually start on the bun. Alright, y'all, so it's been a few minutes, not even a few minutes, it's been a whole 30 minutes later. I forgot I was doing a video, but I'm back. And now I'm about to take this off my head. Period. Okay, so now what I'm about to do is I'm about to pick up my hair again for the third time. I don't think y'all understand how much I need volume. Like, I love volume, and plus If we're doing a top knot bun, we need height. So this is where the second scrunchie and the pick comes in. Now I'm going to take my scrunchie, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to retie this scrunchie but put it right on top of this scrunchie. I can't really explain it. Y'all just going to have to see. So I'm going to tie it right here and then tie it again. And I'm going to move it up. So this is how you start to get your height. So you could see my hair is already being lifted because I put the scrunchie there so I can get my high top knot. And I'm going to go in and pick it out again. I'm finna just wrap my ends around so that it looks like a bun and not a puff. If you want to pop some curls out, you can pop some curls out. So this is how it's looking. This part is optional, but if you want to do your edges, you can do your edges. So I think I'm going to do my edges, but before I do my edges, I'm going to take a picture of this because my hair looks good. Like, I don't understand how this comes out so good on video, but I never been able to achieve it like this in person. But yeah, so hold on. I use Edge Booster and I use Eco. So basically what I do is I start off with Eco first and I do whatever style I want to do. Then after I go over with my Edge Booster. This makes sure that it doesn't flake, 1, and 2, it stays down. So that's that for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video helps out a bunch of my 4 type girls because I know it's a hassle to be putting up our hair slick and just like getting it down. So I really hope this helps y'all out. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Your girl's on the road to 1K, so I would really appreciate it if y'all join the gang and hit that subscribe button, and also comment down below anything else you may want to see in the future. See you in my next video.
I ain't tripping about no bitch, no, I ain't crashing about no hoe. Bet I rock out with these glizzy like I rock out at the show. Heard you crashing about these bitches.